Hi friends, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about Fuguai. In the context of total productive maintenance, Fuguai refers to any deviation from the expected or standard condition in machinery, equipment or workplace practices. It includes abnormalities, defects or deviation that impact efficiency, reliability, quality or safety. In autonomous maintenance, Fuguai identification plays a crucial role for TPM success. Total 7 types of Fugais are identified in autonomous maintenance. Now we'll discuss one by one each Fugai in details. The first one is minor flaws. These are abnormal conditions related to play, slackness or damage in any mechanism. Example, cracked gear tooth. A small crack in a gear tooth can affect smooth operation and lead to more serious issue if left unaddressed. Second example, loose bolt. A bolt that is not properly tightened can cause vibration in a conveyor system, impacting productivity. Third example, worn out bearings. Bearings that are worn out or damaged may produce abnormal noise in a motor, affecting reliability. So these examples are for minor flaws, and we can identify these abnormalities by these signs of machines like abnormal noise, vibrations, overheating or strange smells from the machine or part. Second, Fugai is unfulfilled basic condition. These abnormalities occurs when basic machine conditions are not met, like cleaning, lubricating or tightening. So we'll understand it by example like dirty or damaged parts. So dirt, dust, leakage or damaged components in the machine can hinder optimal performance. For instance, a clogged air filter affecting air circulation. Second example can be lubrication supply issues. Dirty, damaged or deformed lubrication supplies can lead to friction and wear. Example, a contaminated oil reservoir causing inadequate lubrication. Third example can be improperly functioning indicators. An oil level indicator that is dirty, damaged or leaking can mislead operators. Ensuring accurate indicators is crucial for maintenance. So these are the examples for unfulfilled basic condition. Then the third Fugai is inaccessible places. It refers to areas that are hard to access for cleaning, lubrication, inspection or regular operations. So these are the solution involved implementing kaizens at the workplace. Through this we can improve it. So these are the examples. The first one is machine construction. Areas within the machine that are challenging to access due to its design or layout. Example is tight corners where dust accumulates. The second example can be machine covers. Parts of the machine covered by panel or enclosures that hinder maintenance. Example is sealed electrical control box. Then third one is machine layout. Poor arrangement of components making certain areas hard to reach. Example, lubrication points hidden behind other machinery. So these are the example of inaccessible places. Then coming to the fourth number of Fugai, that is source of contamination. These abnormalities relate to contamination affecting machine performance. Example, leakage from hydraulic pipe joints. So this oil leaks from hydraulic connections can contaminate machinery and surrounding areas. Second example is excessive lubricating oil application. Applying too much lubrication oil can lead to oil stains and contamination. Adjusting drip rates helps prevent excessive oil application. Then third example is cutting fluid residue. Cutting fluids used in machining process can leave residues on machine surfaces. Proper cleaning and contamination are essential. Okay, so these are the examples of source of contamination. Fifth number of Fugai is source of quality defects. So these abnormalities impact product quality. So example can be foreign particles. Dust, rust, powder chips, moisture, wire scraps, wood pieces or paper fragments can create quality defects. Example, metal shavings contaminating a machine part. Second example is machine dropping, collision or vibration. Mechanical impacts can lead to defects. Example, a dropped component causing surface damage. Third is material quality. Choosing lower quality materials or using different shipments can directly affect product quality. Example, using substandards raw materials in production. Another examples can be calibration errors. Incorrectly calibrated instruments affect measurement accuracy. Example, faulty torque wrench leading to over or under tightened bolts. So these are the examples. Source of defects. Then the next Fuguai is unnecessary items. Abnormalities arising from unnecessary items or clutters. So we'll understand it through these examples. Unused tools. Tools that clutter workbenches or storage area but are rarely or never used. Then excess inventory. Spare parts, materials or supplier that exceed actual requirements. So this is the second example. Third example is obsolete documentation. Outdated manuals, instruction or record taking of file cabinets. Example, keeping old machine manuals that are no longer relevant. And the seventh number Fuguai is unsafe places. These abnormalities relates to safety hazards. So we'll understand it by this example. Uneven surfaces. Floor with cracks, holes or unevenness can cause slips, trips and falls. Second example is slippery surfaces. Oil spills, water leaks or wet floors increase slip hazards. So these are the examples of unsafe places. So by addressing these all abnormalities, these will impact positively on our TPM drive, and it will enhance productivity, quality, cost, delivery, morale and safety of that area, and it will help to organization for growth. Thank you.